Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show you a quick way to gather up emails in your inbox and apply a rule moving forward to those emails. It's called sweep. So I'm going to go to my Outlook inbox here. I'm going to select the option to create a new folder. I'm going to call this one Google Groups. Already exist. Here it is. And I'm going to say I want this one to add to my favorites. So I see it up here in a quick access. Okay. I'm going to move that up. All right. Now I'm going to take an email that corresponds with Google Groups, Google West Collaborative Groups. And once I've selected an email here, you're going to see some action menu items that appear, and you're going to select sweep. I want to move this message and all messages in my inbox that correspond with this sender and any future messages. And I'm going to have those moved to Google Groups. Okay. It's going to take a minute, search my inbox, and gather all of them up here in a new rule. And now, from now on, anytime an email comes from that sender, it will automatically be filtered into this folder. If you want to remove any of your rules, you're going to come over here to Rules, go to your Sweep Rules. These are typically found in your rules, and you can prioritize these, move them up or down. You can trash it, you can rename it, or you can alter it. All right, there you go. Hope that helps you clean up your inbox a little bit.